Welcome to Pipe Tools. Today we're talking about the Aquatest T10. The Aquatest T10 is an electro-acoustic listening device. And when you think about it, when a pipe leaks, the energy in the water is transferred to the sidewall of the pipe, and it causes it to vibrate. And this is called structure-borne noise. One of the other ways the energy is transferred is as the water escapes the pipe into the ground, you get ground-borne noises. You get the spray and the movement of the rocks and the stones and so forth. These vibrations are picked up by the rod of the test rod and amplified within the device. The Aquatest T10 is a comfortable, easy to use, and very robust test rod. It is used for the pre-location of leak noises on valves, services, and hydrants. Finding noise on hydrants and valves gives you a starting point for your investigation. The goal being to identify those pipes that need additional work. For example, correlation or pinpointing. What we are listening for is noise. This is an example of a leak noise. All leak noises are different depending on many factors such as the type of pipe, the pipe material, the size of the pipe, and the distance from the leak. The Aquatest T10 complete kit comes with the T10 receiver and a rather robust tip for getting down on deep valves and services. Especially when you have to make contact with the pipe, it gets you through the debris and the dirt and the water and so forth that would be in the valve. Enables you to make good contact with the pipe. It also comes with 2 extension rods, a 3-point foot. This foot enables you to do some pinpointing work with the device. Comes with a set of operating instructions, the necessary adapters and chargers to charge the unit. And if you have wireless headphones, you can use the charger to charge the headphones. A set of headphones, wired or wireless. And a very nice carry bag. We're going to focus our attention now on the receiver. And to turn the device on, we press and hold the button for approximately 2 seconds. You'll notice in the upper right hand corner it says do not touch. What it's referring to is it doesn't want you to touch the keypad until the warning light goes out. This warning light controls the sensor for turning the device on and off. You'll notice that as I press my finger down on the keypad, the X comes out of the speaker on the lower left-hand corner of the device. I take my finger away, the X comes through. The sensor adds a very nice feature. That way, to turn the device on, you just run your thumb or your finger close to the pad. It activates the sending of the noise to your headset. If we look at the screen, the large number at the top of the screen is the minimum noise level that is currently being heard. You'll notice that there is a bar that runs across the screen, and there's a little break in that line. That's a visual way of seeing where the minimum noise level is. So if we were to take a sample right now, if we put our finger on here and we took a sample, the device is searching for the minimum noise level. Everything above that break in the line is just extra ambient noise. So if I take my finger off, the minimum noise level it heard was 415. The previous reading has been moved over to this side of the screen. So just another way of seeing and helping you pinpoint noise. If we look at the bottom line, you see the speaker button, the volume control. The volume is controlled by pressing the up or down button. If we press and hold, you'll notice that the bars go up or the bars go down. I usually like to leave the volume control at halfway or less. In the center of the screen, you can see that the batteries are charged in the device. The next symbol that you see is the filter and the filter setting. Right now the current filter setting is 6. And if we were to press this button, you'll notice that the filter setting is blinking off and on, which allows us to change the filter range. By pressing the up button or the down button, we can scroll through the various filters depending on what hertz range you would like to listen to. I usually, when I'm starting off, just keep it at 6, which is the full hertz range, as you can see by the graphic across the screen. To set that filter, we press the button again, and the symbol stops blinking in the screen, and the filter is set. If we turn the device off, press and hold. If we turn the device over, you'll see that on the back side is where the charger plugs into the device. And you'll see the headphone socket. The device has built-in nickel metal hydrate rechargeable batteries. These batteries take about 4 hours to charge, and normally we get about 16 hours of use out of a 4-hour charge. One of the other nice things about this device is to save battery. The device will cut off, turn itself off, after 20 minutes if you don't use any of the buttons. With all Sewerin devices, it is auto hearing protected, so that if you're listening to a valve or a hydrant with a test rod and you slip or move, the noise from that does not hurt your ears. The device automatically cuts out, saving your ears. So once again, we have a nice, comfortable, easy to use test rod tool. Has 8 filter settings, and those filter settings are explained in a little bit more detail in page 9 of the owner's manual. One of the other nice things about the device is you can use it for pinpointing. By taking this 3-point foot, attaching some rod to give you some length, you can attach this to the base of the T10 and use it as you would a regular listening microphone. The Aquatest T10 comes in 2 configurations. This is the wired version, meaning the headset is wired. And the other version is the wireless version, and you'll notice somewhere on the device will be the SDR sticker, meaning Sewerin Digital Radio. I usually take it out into the field and I turn on the headset, wait until the little green light comes on. Then I turn on the T10, wait till it goes through its various logic. I don't touch the screen. Then I turn down the volume in the headset a little bit, and you're ready to go. The advantage of this being wireless is that the wire does not get in your way. You can put the headphones around your neck and carry the rod with no tether. Very helpful, especially if you're doing a lot of walking and doing a lot of survey work. Once again, to turn the device off, we just press and hold. To turn the headphones off, we press and hold. And to charge the unit, we just plug it in. A little red light will come on when you're in charging mode. The device also comes with a cigarette adapter that allows you to charge your headphones or your device if you're running low on power. Well, this concludes our video today of the Aquatest T10. Thank you very much for joining us.